In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Bluetooth audio stuttering. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is we have to click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on system and then you have to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here from this window, you'll find Bluetooth with a run button corresponding to it to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow what it suggests and what it recommends. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. Once done, you have to restart your Windows once. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. Next method is you have to right click at the start button and select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, locate Bluetooth, expand the list, and locate your Bluetooth driver. Okay, locate your Bluetooth driver. Make a right click, select uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button. Do not check this box. Just simply click on the uninstall button. Once uninstalled, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that will reinstall the driver into your Windows. So once you have reinstalled it, click on the start button, click on the settings icon, then click on Bluetooth and devices on the left pane. Turn on Bluetooth and then click on add device. Click on Bluetooth again and then you just need to simply connect to the device from here, and that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.